new friends, teachers, friends and teachers. June 13, 2003. It is the exact date when I came here in school. It is exactly 6:30 a.m.
Ba't hindi siya dito first? Why is it June 13 is your first time here?
First year high school. It was exactly 6:30 a.m. In the morning when the class started, I had met new friends, new classmates, new teachers, and I learned a lot of things. Next year, when I was in second year,
Carlo, naingit ako sa kamay mo.
Bakit?
Ang ganda.
then
Ganda mo
the
kamay
next
ko?
year, I was transferred to the PX session in Coacoco. Then in third year, I was transferred here in the star section, Trimakini. I just can't believe that now is my last year in this school. Graduation is very near.
Siguro din mo kayo.
Ako hindi.
I'm very excited